everybody. You like shooting clay, blue rock, skeet, whatever the hell you want to call it? Well, I want to show you how to make an easy exploding target. Here's a finished one I got, and I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you need your rock. Get you some Elmer's glue and some of this marking chalk. I find works very well. Basically what you want to do, take your rock, take your chalk, and you just kind of fill in the center of it. Not all the way full, maybe just half or so, enough to coat the bottom. And then you take your glue, fill in that, like a gap on the rim. Make sure you get enough to where the paper will stick to it. That should be enough. And then you take a paper or whatever you want to cover up the chalk. You know, firmly press it down. Well, don't firmly press it down. You don't want to break the clay. But push it, you know, lightly press it around where the paper starts to stick, and then you'll kind of start seeing the line, and you know, let her dry and go shoot and have some fun. So there you go. Thanks for watching.